Welcome to the Floral POS. In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to use our new order blackout dates. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Control Panel, then click on System Configuration, and then click on Order Blackout Dates. Inside of here, you have the capability to set your blackout dates. So we have order types, delivery, pickup, wire out. We're going to select all. You select the blackout date. So let's select the 15th. And then you can select a start time, or you can just use all day. So I'm just going to say all day on the 15th. And I'm going to say our shop is closed. And then we're going to go ahead and add it to our list. I'm going to go ahead and delete all the rest of them out of here. And let's go ahead and try it out. So let's open a delivery order. Let's go ahead and select the 15th. As you can see here, it says orders are unavailable for delivery date 6/15/2022 all day. The reason? Our shop is closed today. Please select a different delivery date. You can click OK. This actually makes the delivery date red. It doesn't make it so you can't save it, so you could override it. It's more of a alert to alert the cashier that we're not taking orders that day. Maybe in future updates, if we get feedback, if it's something you guys really want to be strict on, we can make it so you cannot take an order at all. But for right now, it's just a warning. Let's go ahead and close out of here. So if we go back into system configuration, back into order blackout dates, you can also, as you get a bunch of order blackout dates in here, you can click on show blackout dates, and you can select our date range, and also you can select to show all, so that'd be disabled and enabled dates. This works inside of pickups, deliveries, wires, wire outs, and also inside of your standing orders. This is basically blackout order dates inside the Floral POS. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-865-9768.